Hey guys, welcome back to the e-commerce bartender. Today we're going to be going over how to create a listing on Amazon. We're going to be using all the information we gathered in the previous videos, like that Google Doc that had our bullet points, our title, our search terms, and our description. So go ahead and start pulling that up. I'm going to go ahead and show you how you get to adding a product on Amazon. So this is going to be on your Seller Central page. Up here is going to say Seller Central in the corner. I got it pulled down because I'm not going to show you some personal information, but you're going to go to catalog and then add products. So after you go to catalog and add products, it's going to bring you to this page that we're on right now. So obviously you're not going to put in a product name. We're just going to do, I'm adding a product not sold on Amazon. So that's going to bring us to this next page right here. It's going to select a product category. When you guys are going through this process, obviously, magnetic balls and magnetic cubes, I'm going to throw under toys and games. You could check your competitors. You could see what they're, what kind of categories they're in. So you can kind of copy that, but just go through what you think is going to get you the most sales. So we're in toys and games right now. And then let's see here. Yep, I already selected toys and games, so I can come down to the next step. And then our toy is a magnetic toy, so I'm going to type that in. I'm going to say magnet toy. All right, and then I'm going to search. All right, let's scroll through these and see which one best fits us. So we got magnet and magnetic toys, toys and games, now magnetic toys. Yeah, the first one's looking pretty good. Let's see what else we got here. Nothing is really fitting in. So it looks like it's going to be this first one. So I'm going to go ahead and select that. Okay, and that's going to bring us up to this page. All right, guys, this is where I'm going to pause the video for a second. I'm going to be coming right back to y'all. I just want to fill all this out and get familiar with it. So just hang on for 1 second. I'll be right back, guys. All right, guys, let's get right back into this. As you can see, I've already gone through the tabs and entered in all the information I felt like it was necessary to enter in. The one thing I didn't enter in was the product ID. This is going to be a UPC code that we're going to get. That's going to be on a later on video. I do not believe you could save and finish without the UPC code. So once you do get that code, refer back to this video and go ahead and enter in all the information I'm about to as well. So let's go ahead and get down into it. The first thing I want to say is turn on advanced view right here, just because it gives you more tabs, and we're going to be looking into those as well. The first thing we're going to go over is the minimum manufacturer age. We're going to do 13 just because it's a harmful product to children, and we want to cover our butts a little bit. The next thing up is the product name. We're going to go back to our Google Doc page where we had our listing, and we're just going to take our title right there and just copy and paste it into right there. It's that easy. The next thing up is going to be your brand name. This is going to be different than your storefront name, or I'm going to recommend you to do it differently. So today we're going to do Fidget Magnet Fun. The manufacturer, you could copy and paste the manufacturer you have if you guys want, and they should have like a model number for the product. You can enter that in as well. And the next up, we have the color. Our color is silver. That's the color of our magnet balls and magnet cubes. And the next thing up is the size, which is 5 millimeters that we decided on. So scrolling down, that should be it for that one. So let's go on to variations. Variations I'm not going to do right now just because it's going to take too much time to go through the video. But you got the variation themes down here. You're going to select these. Guys, be careful. In some markets, you cannot actually do some types of variations. So make sure your variation is available before you go purchase an order from China. All right, that's going to sum up that. So let's go to offer real quick. All right, the first thing I put in was the seller SKU. That's just kind of for you. It's just an organizational thing for the seller. I put MBC1 because it's magnetic balls cubes and it's the first product. So I put that on there. And the next thing I entered in was condition. Obviously, this product is going to be new. We're also going to go over the price. I can't remember exactly back in the day what price I was going to sell it at, so I just put $35.99. I roughly think that's around where I was at. All right, let's see if I need to put anything else. All right, fulfillment channel right here. We're going to do fulfillment by Amazon, obviously, because we want Amazon handling, our warehouse stuff and also the logistics of sending it out to the customer. All right, that should cover that. Let's go over to compliance. All right, this is kind of like if you're going to have like a product that has like batteries and stuff like that, and any type of information that you need to put in there to answer these questions or fields down here. We don't have to worry about that today. And we're going to go over to images next. This is fairly simple, guys. You just click and you upload the photos. I'm going to be going over how to do photos and how to go through that process of deciding what photos to do in a later video. But like I said before, just refer back to this when you do get those photos. All right, guys, let's go over to the description. Again, we're going to refer back to this page and just basically copy and paste everything we had in here. Make sure, guys, when you're copying and pasting, especially down here when it comes to the description, you're not doing this one that's without the HTML code. You're actually doing this one down here, just so when you do enter it, it's going to be formatted correctly on your listing. So let's go back up here. Let's see. I think there's one more thing on this page. Oh yeah, guys, when you're entering in your bullet points, you're going to be entering them in one at a time and just add more, or you can remove the last if you need to remove one. And then we also have a legal disclaimer right here. Since our product is harmful to kids, we're going to put must be over 13 to purchase. All right, that should sum it up for this one. Let's go to keywords real quick. The first thing up is target audience. We're going to do teens and adults. We're going to leave out kids, obviously. And the next thing up is search terms. These are going to be your back-end search terms that we got over here on this page. Just copy and paste once again. Let's see if anything's else down here. Nope, that's about it. I think the last one is more details. All right, I think mainly you just need to go down to the bottom down here on this. Since we've hit advanced, it's going to have a lot more stuff. Some stuff you don't have to put in there, but this is definitely you're going to have to put in here. So we're going to do item dimensions. So basically you're going to do the product itself. Let me get out one of these. The dimensions of the product. And then you're going to do the package dimensions as well. So the package dimensions is going to be, this is the box I was going to use to package it in. So you're going to weigh that, get the length, width, and height so they can do the volume. And that should be about it once you do those. So you're going to hit save and finish, and then you guys would be able to come back and edit it later on if you needed to, if you wanted to change like some photos or some of your bullet points to match like an advertising campaign you're doing. Like I said before, we didn't put in the UPC code, so I wasn't able to save and finish, but that's be coming on a later video. That's going to probably sum up today's video, guys. Get ready for a new video tomorrow. Just a reminder, I'm always going to have anything you need in the description below. If not, leave a comment. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Have a great day, guys, and take care.